The G-Wagon is legendary, but let's be honest, the factory cup holder situation is a joke. This aftermarket solution claims to fix one of the biggest annoyances in the W463 chassis. We are looking at the center console drinks cup holder, an accessory designed to bring modern convenience to the classic G-Class. This unit is specifically referenced against the OEM part A4636802391, meaning it should slot right into models ranging from the G270 CDI all the way up to the mighty G65 AMG. The manufacturer promises a new and nice quality build that is durable and flexible. The material choice is interesting, a combination of plastic, PU leather, and net. The PU leather is a smart move, aiming to integrate seamlessly with the luxury interior of the G-Wagon, rather than just looking like cheap, shiny plastic. They stress that this product is built to strict quality control standards and tested prior to leaving the factory, which is exactly what you want to hear when buying a generic fitment part for a high-end vehicle. The key here is stability. If you are driving a G-Wagon, you are likely not always on smooth pavement, so that drink needs to stay put. The claims of stable performance and high reliability are crucial, especially given the wide range of compatible vehicles listed, including the G55 AMG and the G550 base. This is designed to be flexible and easy to use, suggesting a simple drop-in installation that requires no modification. If you own a W463 and are tired of balancing your latte on the passenger seat, this black center console accessory looks like a necessary and essential upgrade. It is a simple fix for a major design oversight.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.